Hi, I'm Jim the electrician with Bluebird Electrics, and I'm going to help you guys at home troubleshoot the problem with your fuse board tripping out. The chances are is that you've got a new fuse board with 1 or 2 RCDs in it. Now don't worry, having RCDs is the best thing you can have because they protect you from potential electric shocks. So although they're tripping and they're being a nuisance, it's really good that you've got them in there. So I've just arrived at this house and they've lost power to the sockets on the first floor, sockets on the ground floor, kitchen sockets and the utility sockets. So we can see in here that the RCD is in the down position. When I turn that up, you can see that it goes straight back down. So the first thing that you can do before calling out an electrician is to potentially eliminate where the fault is. So what I would do is I'll turn off all of the breakers and then reset the RCD. Now you can see that it's staying on. Now we're going to turn the breakers back on, and when we find the circuit that's got the fault in it, the RCD will trip out. So utility's good, okay. So we can see that the kitchen circuit is causing the RCD to trip. So we'll turn that off. We turn on the others to be sure that it is only one circuit that's causing the fault, and we can put the utility back on and everything stays on. So now we know it is a problem with the kitchen power. What I would then do is either recommend that you call out an electrician, or you can carry on with the process of elimination by going into your kitchen and removing all of the appliances, because it could be that the problem is with a cooker or probably not the cooker, but more likely to be the toaster or the kettle or the extract fan if it's wired into the ring main in the kitchen. So go through there, unplug everything, then reset your breaker, and if the RCD stays on, it means that it was an appliance. If the RCD switches off, it means that it's a fault with the wiring, and then you need to call out your local electrician. So I'm going to go now into the kitchen, remove the appliances, and I'll come back to you and we'll see if it was one of those items. Okay, so I've been around the kitchen, I've removed all of the items. I think this is going to be the cause of all our problems. Put the RCD back on, kitchen ring is back on. Now that's a good situation for you guys at home because you didn't have to call out an electrician. But there are times, quite commonly, when it could be faults with the wiring and you're probably not going to be able to find that out for yourselves. There are other certain circumstances whereby you can't reset the RCD even with all the breakers in the down position, and that means you've got a neutral to earth fault, and in that situation you'll also have to call out an electrician. Anyway, for now, this may help you out.